Hello students, so this is Miss Mukadam Tabassum with a new video, third unit, poem The Panther. And this poem is written by Rainer Maria Rilke. This poem talks about the panther being locked in a cage. So we'll go for the poem. His weary glance from passing by the bars has grown into a dazed and vacant stare. It seems to him there are 1,000 bars, and out beyond those bars the empty air. The pad of its strong feet, that ceaseless sound of supple tread behind the iron bands, is like a dance of strength circling around, while in the circle stunned a great will stands. But there are times the pupils of his eyes dilate, the strong limbs stand alert apart, tense with the flood of visions that arise only to sink and die within his heart. So here the panther depicts the picture of a panther being locked in a cage. यहाँ पे panther जो एक cage में lock है and is not able to go around as per its freedom. उसके freedom के हिसाब से वो कहीं पर भी बाहर आ नहीं जा नहीं सकता. In the initial phase of the poem, the poet says that even though the panther is a strong animal, it has been locked in a caged room and is denied its freedom. भले वो कितना भी strong क्यों ना हो, वो एक केज में बंद है जहाँ पर उसकी आज़ादी भी कैद हो चुकी है. Also the poet says that since the panther is so tired that he is not able to realize where he is and can figure that there are only bars around him. बार्स मतलब जो जेल के बार्स होते हैं उसे हम लोग बार कहते हैं. You can see here in the image there are the bars. So these bars that are from all sides and he cannot get out from there no matter how hard he tries. वो कितनी भी क्यों ना hard try कर ले वो नहीं आ सकता. And hence he keeps circling in the cage thinking that somehow he could get out and do not seem to be willing to get tamed. Now he is trying to get out. वो वहाँ पे घूम रहा है, अपने feet पे घूम रहा है, circle में घूम रहा है, but he is not able to come out, right? Sometimes when he open his eyes and blurred image also, what there is the thing that visible that at times to create a confusion around him. उसे confusion भी होती है in the cage. Here the poet is also discussing about the freedom that one needs and how much the panther would love to be in its wild habitat. Now panther love to go in its wild habitat. जंगल में उसे जाना है, उसे घूमना है, but उसे possible नहीं है. उसके सामने जो vision है वो एक blur है. And he circles in the cage and finally wishes if he was released for one day at least to enjoy himself at his habitat. एक दिन की तो उसे आज़ादी मिली तो वो बहुत खुशी से वो चल पड़ेगा. So in this poem the poet describes those things that animals should be being caged and not set free to move around in the natural habitat or environment, and no matter which animal it may be, the effect is same while being locked in a cage. They lose their interest in mobility and would be always at leisure and sadness. तो हमेशा वो sad रहते हैं, हमेशा वो बहुत तकलीफ़ में होते हैं जब हम उन्हें केज में रखते हैं. So they should be not like that. वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए, उनको आज़ादी मिलनी चाहिए. They should be free. So this is a very beautiful poem that shows how humans could be cruel to animals and how the poor animals cannot do anything to help themselves. उनका दिल रोता है जब उन्हें केज में बांधा जा रहा है. जैसे हमारे फीलिंग्स हैं वैसे उनके भी तो फीलिंग्स होते हैं. सो वी डोंट हैव एनी राइट टू लॉक दैम. अगर कोई हमें एक दिन के लिए घर में बंद करके रखे, कहीं भी आने जाने ना दे, तो हमें कैसे लगेगा? तो सेम थिंग, एनिमल्स का हैबिटेट उनका जंगल होता है, ना कि उनका केज. तो हमेशा उनके हैबिटेट में उन्हें रखना चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल पोएम. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्रेस अ लाइक बटन and subscribe my channel. Thank you.